Hi everyone, welcome to Narayana's live classes of Amazing Assignment. Hope you people are doing good at your homes and following the amazing assignments and enjoying the sessions. Today our subject is science for grade 4 and we are going to discuss about the plants making and storing the food. We are going to discuss about the activity of page number 14 in textbook as well as 15 also. Okay. We are going to discuss about higher order thinking questions. Higher order thinking questions help us to think a little bit more and answer them more accurately. So, the first Roman states higher order thinking questions. The first question, let us read the first question. There are two potted plants A and B. We have taken two potted plants A and B. Plant A is kept in bright sunlight. We kept plant A in bright sunlight. And plant B is kept in the place where there is a partial sunlight. Plant B is kept where there is a partial, that is a less amount of sunlight is reaching over there, and watered regularly. We are watering them, we are providing water to them regularly. Now the question here is, which part is more likely to prepare more food? Plant A or plant B? In these two, which is preparing more food? Obviously both are preparing food, but in these two, which is preparing more food? Let us see. As the question says, plant A is kept in bright sunlight, and we know that the plant requires sunlight to prepare more food. So plant A is likely to prepare more food. So this here comes our answer. This is our answer. What is that? Plant A is more likely to prepare more food. Do you know why? Yes, because it is receiving more sunlight, as it is receiving more sunlight. So plant A is preparing more food because it is preparing more food because it is receiving more sunlight. It is able to prepare more food. Now coming to the next question. Another plant C is kept in a dark place and watered regularly. Another plant we have taken and named it as C and placed in a dark place where there is no sunlight, and we are watering it regularly. Yet it could not prepare the food for itself. It is not able to prepare food for itself. Even though we are watering it regularly, it is not able to prepare food for itself. Do you know why? Do you have any idea about it? Yes, because this plant C is not receiving any sunlight. It does not receive any sunlight because it is placed in a dark place. So when there is no sunlight, there is no photosynthesis. So when there is no photosynthesis, plant cannot prepare its food. This is our answer. Plant C does not receive any sunlight. So it cannot prepare food for itself. It cannot prepare food for itself as it is not receiving any sunlight. I hope you are following me. We'll go to the next session, next question. Next Roman, a fun-filled Roman activity here given here is fill in the boxes and identify the process described in the picture. A picture is given, we are going to fill the boxes and identify what actually happening in the picture. For that, firstly we will fill the boxes given within the picture. Firstly we start with the first one. Do you see what is there in the first one? We see a sun, and we also seeing a plant, a sunflower plant, which is absorbing the sunlight. It is receiving the sunlight. It is receiving sunlight, and plant also absorbs one gas from the atmosphere, from the air. What is it? Yes, it is carbon dioxide. And also from the soil it receives water and minerals. It receives water and minerals. Where all these will go in the plant? Which part will receive all those things? In the leaf. Leaf will absorb sunlight, it will absorb carbon dioxide, it will receive the water and minerals from the soil through the stem. Okay. What is that converts all these things into food? It is the chlorophyll. It is the chlorophyll which is present in the leaf and gives out a gas. A gas is released which we are breathing. Do you know the gas which we breathe? Yes, it is oxygen. It is oxygen. So all these are absorbed by the plant, and a reaction takes place in the leaf in the presence of chlorophyll, and food is prepared by the plant. Okay. What is that food prepared and what happens here? We will fill this in this given tables, in these boxes. So as I said, carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plant. Apart from carbon dioxide, water is also absorbed. What helps it? What it will absorb more? It will absorb sunlight. And chlorophyll also plays an important role here. Chlorophyll is must. So without chlorophyll, this process will not take place at all. So that is why chlorophyll is very much important. When all these things are absorbed, a reaction takes place. What happens? Glucose is formed. Glucose is the food for the plant. That is, plant when preparing the food, prepared food is in the form of glucose. Apart from glucose, gases are released out. The most important gas released out here is oxygen. Now, can you identify the process taking place here? Do you know what process we are discussing about all these things and what is happening in the picture given here? Yes, it is nothing but photosynthesis. It is nothing but the photosynthesis. So let us define what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process of making food by the plant in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide and water. It prepares the food called as glucose and releases out the gas called as oxygen. All these things takes place in the chlorophyll of a leaf. So this entire picture is showing the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So this here we come to the end of our session. I hope you have understood the topics very well, and we will meet again in the next session. Thank you.